AposHealth is a non-surgical way to relieve pain and improve function in your knees and lower back. So, how does AposHealth compare with surgery, painkillers, injections, and physical therapy? Here's how. Similar to surgeries such as knee replacement, AposHealth has high success rates, helping patients function better, but without any of the risk and pain of invasive procedures. Just lace up and go about your life. And similar to painkillers and injections, AposHealth is clinically proven to relieve pain. In fact, AposHealth patients decreased their painkiller consumption by a whopping 56%. And similar to a regular physical therapy program, AposHealth is personally customized to each patient's needs. However, AposHealth is unique in that it can be done while going about your regular routine, at home or at work. AposHealth makes it possible to get back to the things you love to do, without surgery, without injections, without painkillers, and without disrupting your daily routine. That's the AposHealth difference. For more information about AposHealth, visit AposHealth.com.